Another day, another headache for the Congress in now Uttarakhand. After Punjab, there seems to be dissent brewing within the state of Uttarakhand as Harish Rawat, the go-to man, the firefighter for the Congress leadership in Punjab, has now dropped very cryptic hints that he's unhappy, saying his hands and feet are tied. Is this the beginning of another implosion within a Congress unit in Uttarakhand? Is Harish Rawat now going to dump the Congress? We decode that for you in our next report.
After Punjab, unrest in the troubled Congress has spread to Uttarakhand. And it's none other than the party's most prominent face in Uttarakhand who is raising concerns on unity in the party, months ahead of assembly polls. Former Uttarakhand CM and trusted aide of the Gandhis, Harish Rawat, has expressed disenchantment in a series of tweets. He said that, and I quote, "Isn't it strange? We have to swim in the sea of elections. But instead of supporting me, the organization has either turned its back on me or is playing a negative role. Those whom I am supposed to follow, their people have tied my hands and feet. I have been thinking, it's gone too far. You have done enough. It's time to rest. I am confident that Lord Shiva will show me the way." Harish Rawat's close advisor was far more direct in red flagging the infighting in Uttarakhand unit.
राहुल जी जो हम सबके नेता हैं, उनकी रैली में हरीश रावत जी के पोस्टर होल्डिंग हटाए जाते हों, यदि मंच से राज आंदोलनकारियों को मंच से उतारा जाता हो और वो भी देवेंद्र यादव की उपस्थिति में, जो कि हमारे प्रभारी हैं, निश्चित रूप से प्रभारी जी की भूमिका भी संदेह में है।
Captain Amrinder Singh, who had to unceremoniously leave the party and had blamed Rawat, among others, for the exit, showed little sympathy for the Congress veteran. In a biting tweet, Amrinder said, "You reap what you sow, and all the best for your future endeavours, if there are any." If his tweet was seen as a hint that he was quitting, Harish Rawat did not try to douse the speculations.
आपको बुलाएंगे, आपसे शेयर करेंगे। आप इस समय आनंद लीजिए।
As expected, the Congress maintained that all is well within the party in the Hill state.
उनका ध्येय, उनका अनुभव, उनका संघर्ष, उनकी तपस्या एक ही तरफ इशारा कर रही है कि ये 3 मुख्यमंत्री वाली सरकार को रवाना करके कांग्रेस की सरकार को उत्तराखंड में स्थापित किया जाए।
The BJP saw an opportunity to attack as the Congress High Command was faced with another implosion.
हरीश रावत जी जो बात कह रहे हैं, निश्चित है कि अंदर कुछ न कुछ है। पंजाब में गए तो वहाँ क्या हाल हुआ, दो फाड़ हो गई। कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह जी अलग हो गए, अपनी पार्टी बना गए। हो सकता है वहीं से कुछ सीख के आए होंगे तो वहाँ भी वही स्थिति होगी।
Until recently, Harish Rawat was the party's chief negotiator in Punjab, trying to resolve a dragging war between Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu. Ironically, the troubleshooter is now claiming to be a victim himself of a feud within the party. Bureau Report, India Today.